Guys, this is Jennifer here with a quick little lesson on blocking. I am about to teach a lesson on how to make a washcloth, so I went ahead and made mine, and this is what I ended up with. This is just single crochet every row, and I'm not sure why it did this, if it was the yarn I used or what, but it just curls right up, and sometimes that'll happen. It's normal, it's fine, but there's a quick way to fix it, and that's what we're going to do today. It's called blocking. So to block a piece that you've crocheted, you're going to need some sort of a mat. I have these, a bunch of these square mats that fit together if you have a bigger piece that you need to block. I just have a little washcloth, so I just need one of my little squares. You're going to need a bit of water and a little towel. I mean, if you have a big sweater, you're going to need a big towel. This is a small little washcloth, so I'm using a small little towel. And you're going to need some pins. I couldn't find my sewing pins, so I'm using a bunch of these today. Little push pins. And that's really all you need. So we'll get going. You take your piece and you just put it right in the water. Get it nice and wet. You'll notice my little tails are still here. I haven't woven those in yet. And I haven't done that because I'm going to use this washcloth to teach the lesson on how to make these washcloths. And weaving in the tails will be part of the lesson. I'll teach that at the end. So then you want to take and sort of squeeze the water out. You don't want to wring it or twist it. Just give it a nice squeeze. And that's what the towel is for afterward. You lay it out in the towel. And then sort of wrap it up in the towel. Ooh, I almost spilled that water. And then you can just kind of push that water out as much as you can. All right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to move it over here to our board. We're going to straighten it out. It looks real wonky right now, so that's where our pins come in. We're going to start pinning it. I like to do the four corners first. Kind of stretch it a little bit. Oh, maybe I stretched that too far. We'll see. Okay. And then we can add some more pins to square it up a little bit. And if I end up with it being more of a rectangular washcloth, that's fine. I tried to keep it square when I was working, but it really does seem to be a little bit longer than it is wide, but that's fine. If it does matter, if you're making a piece where the size and shape matters a lot, then you might want to measure it and block it to those measurements that it needs to be. Oh, actually not up here yet, so a few up here. Okay, that looks pretty good. And then what you do is you let it dry completely, and then you unpin it, and it should stop curling and lay nice and flat for you. So I will come back in a few hours when that's dry, and I'll show you what it looks like.